Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Baljit, and this video we are going to install Christmas lights. The one are inexpensive. You can see on TikTok and Amazon. I bought it from Amazon, and we will install and take a look if they are good or how they are. First, let's open box and see what we have inside. I have two boxes, 300 feet and each. We'll open one first, so we'll know everything what we have inside. We have a remote. Power adapter comes with the wireless controller controlling LED light. You can download app on your phone and control from your phone. These lights can be go permanent. They sent you all the screws you need because each light, if you see, have a glue at the bottom plus have a two holes for the screw so they can be mounted permanent. Next one, we got instruction manual. Then you have a 50 feet each pieces. You can connect as many together. First I was looking for 500 feet, but I did not believe 500 feet can light up these lights bright, so I bought a 300 feet. But you don't have to have used 300 feet. If you want to use only 250, you can use 250, and 50 feet you can save it. Now the next important thing we need to know, maybe everybody don't like, these lights is 2 feet away from each other, so the gap is 2 feet. To install these lights, if you're looking for temporary for Christmas only, then you don't need anything, just glue stick to your house. They have a glue here. But if you're looking for permanent, then also comes with some screws. We just need a Phillips head screwdriver or just a hand screwdriver. You can just screw. Each light comes with the 2 holes. So we will start, but another thing you need to know before you start installing these lights, just a test on the ground before you mount in the house, just in case if anything wrong with the lights, you can repair or replace before you put it on the house. Now let's start installation. Before I start installing lights, I still have to talk about this one. I was thinking this is just a pigtail with one longer connection, but actually this side go to the power adapter, another side go to the lights. Basically you can start from the middle. You can run 150 feet or whatever, half light this side and half light this side if your starting point and center. In my case, I don't need it because I showed you my situation. Here is the receptacle. That's my starting point. I need a lot more than 300 feet. I think I need approximately 500 feet. So I will start from here. I will run lights like these. The lights I have, I don't like it, I will take it off. I will run like this all the way 300 feet or whatever I can make it to this side edge seen from the road. From here I will run this side and all the way to the other side is about maybe 250 feet. So I will use all 600 feet starting from here, 300 feet this side and 300 feet this side. I have started installation. I started from here, as you can see here all the way. I'm taking the old one at the same time installing new one. So what actually I'm doing, I'm removing this tape, making sure the wire is straight and pull all the way, stick it in the middle like this. Now we will put 2 screws here. So we have LEDs, so we have to do same process for 300 times. Now time to finish all the rest and then we will test. We have a finished installation of permanent Christmas lights. Right now, time to take a final look and some of the mystery answers. Might you have a lot of questions the way I have before I buy. As we talked already, I have a 600 feet, but I did not install all 600 feet. I just installed only 300 feet. I will let you know why. So if you see these lights here, they're like only 100 feet from here to all the way. They're a lot brighter than these one. This side I have a 200 feet. They look amazing, it's not bad, but if we talk about the brightness, This side is a lot dimmer than this one. So if you have a plan, don't install on one adapter and controller more than 100 feet. So 100 feet work perfect. I will still install 200 feet, but I have to get somehow another adapter so I can put another adapter on another 100 feet. That's all I'm going to install, because I need to buy a lot of adapters, because I have 600 feet. They comes with two 24 voltage 1 amp adapter, which one is not enough for more than 100 feet. That's the bad side. The second thing, yesterday when I finished the lighting, half of the portion was not changing color, so I have to do some troubleshoot. Then I found one of the length 50 feet was bad, which was like either when I was installing it gone bad or something else. I have to replace today and I am done. You can see there's 50 feet hanging here. I still have to run all the way, and I will add another adapter. If I found more adapters, then I will keep going. Otherwise, I'm just done with the lights. I will keep only that much. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video with a new topic.